I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by gathering everything you want in the PDF and opening Google Drive in your browser. Upload any local files now so they are available. This avoids missing pages later. Create a dedicated folder to keep source items together and give it a clear name. Once done, open the first document you want to convert, Google Docs, an image, or an uploaded PDF, so you can check formatting and page order before combining. This first step prevents rework and keeps the process fast. You now convert each source into a consistent PDF format so merging is predictable. For docs, choose File Download PDF. For images, right-click Open with Google Docs, then export as PDF, or use Print Save as PDF. Make sure margins and orientation match across files. Next, order the files in the folder by renaming with numeric prefixes like 01, 02 so they merge in the correct sequence. These steps ensure the combined PDF looks cohesive and reads in the intended flow. You finish by assembling the final file and exporting to PDF. If the combined content is simple, create a new Google Doc, paste or insert each PDF page as images, or use a trusted Drive add-on to merge PDFs directly. When ready, choose File Download PDF to export the final document. If something looks off, make sure page sizes and image DPI match, then re-export the single problematic file and replace it. If merging fails, sign out and back in or clear cache to resolve permission or upload glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.